and welcome to Dan's Diagnostics. Today we've got a new 4.5 Ford Focus with the new cluster. I'm going to show you how to reset the oil life and tyre pressure sensors. So first of all, you'll notice the difference now. The engine start-stop button is no longer here. It's been moved down to here. So if we turn the ignition on, you can also see now that we've got the big screen, the big media screen, and also the cluster has changed. So what we do using the steering wheel controls is we press OK to remove any messages that come on. Then if we press the three lines, we can scroll down through the options and we do eventually come to vehicle maintenance. Again, using the right controls on the steering wheel, we press OK on oil life, and then press and hold OK to reset. There it says reset complete. There's the oil life, and then as we go up, we can choose tyre pressure, and it shows you the tyre pressures. If we go to the tyre monitor, press and hold OK to store, and it will set the tyre pressures. That's it, job done. If you like today's video, then please don't forget to like and comment. Please do subscribe and hit the little bell notification to be notified of any new content that I upload. Cheers guys, thanks for watching.